Are you aware of one of the most significant distinctions between electric vehicles, EVs, and internal combustion engine, ICE cars? It was believed that enhancing a gasoline-powered vehicle involved merely integrating advanced technological features or improving its design. However, EVs present a fundamentally different scenario. Upgrading an EV entails not only enhancing the vehicle itself, but also upgrading the battery, which alters the entire equation. This necessity has led to ongoing research into EV batteries to discover better and more cost-effective solutions. For instance, Tesla took 3 years from the announcement to the production of its 4680 battery, which is regarded as the most advanced EV battery technology available today. Meanwhile, Tesla's primary competitor, BYD, is not remaining idle. The company plans to introduce a new EV this June, equipped with an innovative battery that can achieve a full charge in just 5 minutes. Even more impressively, BYD asserts that this battery will set new safety benchmarks for EVs, having successfully undergone rigorous stress tests, including being crushed, bent, exposed to temperatures of 300 degrees Celsius, and overcharged by 260% without igniting or exploding. This raises the question, what type of battery is this, and how does it compare to Tesla's 4680? Historically, Tesla has maintained a leading position in the electric vehicle market. However, over the past year, BYD has gained ground in sales. In 2024, BYD reported revenues of $17 billion, selling 4.27 million vehicles, which includes both fully electric and hybrid models. In contrast, Tesla generated $97.7 billion in revenue, with 1.79 million vehicles sold during the same period. It is evident that BYD is excelling in several critical areas, a fact that warrants recognition. In our view, BYD's next-generation Blade battery has the potential to ignite a new wave of enthusiasm when it is launched with the company's upcoming EV in June. You may already be familiar with BYD's Blade battery, which has even been utilized by Tesla in certain versions of the Model Y in Europe. The Blade battery is a specially engineered lithium iron phosphate battery designed for electric vehicles, renowned for its high safety standards, stable performance, and extended lifespan. Initially introduced in 2020, the Blade battery is now a standard feature in most BYD models and has undergone extensive real-world testing. The name Blade battery is derived from the unique blade-like shape of its cells. This battery employs a cell-to-pack design that eliminates traditional modules, allowing the cells to be directly integrated into the battery pack. This innovation greatly enhances space efficiency, reduces weight and thickness, and results in a lighter, slimmer, and more durable battery, all while providing additional cabin space for passengers. Furthermore, it offers robust safety features and excellent thermal management. However, it is worth noting that the previous iteration of the BYD Blade battery lacked remarkable features, with an energy density of only 140 watt-hours per kilogram and a charging time of 20 to 30 minutes, which could be considered somewhat unremarkable. Today, we will discuss the latest generation of the Blade battery, which has significantly advanced, leading us to believe that charging an electric vehicle could be as quick as refueling a gasoline car. This new version has been tested in electric vehicles, rather than merely in laboratory settings. Initial assessments indicate that BYD's latest battery can achieve up to 30% greater energy efficiency compared to existing models. BYD's engineers have completely redefined the battery's chemistry and designed to facilitate faster charging, extended range, and improved durability, all while maintaining cost-effectiveness. Notably, this new battery will debut in 2 of BYD's forthcoming models, priced at $37,260 and $38,600, or ultra-premium SUVs exceeding $100,000. This assumption seemed logical, but the pricing at this level has genuinely surprised us. The first models equipped with rapid charging technology will be the Hahnel sedan and the Tangel SUV, both boasting up to 1,086 horsepower. While this figure may not stand out in the realm of high-performance vehicles, the price of $37,000 for a luxury car, be it an SUV or a sedan, is quite remarkable. Wang Chuanfu, the founder of BYD, has indicated that the second-generation Blade battery features a more compact battery pack, reduced weight, and lower energy consumption per 100 kilometers. BYD has claimed that the top models will support 1 megawatt 10C or 1000 kilowatts of power, effectively alleviating any concerns users may have regarding battery charging times. With charging speeds reaching up to 1 megawatt, these new vehicles will indeed charge at extraordinary rates, fulfilling the expectations set by the hype. The 10C rating indicates that a full charge can be achieved in just 6 minutes, with each second contributing approximately 2 kilometers of range. It is worth noting that to achieve a 5-minute charge, the charger must deliver an exceptionally high voltage, along with a substantial current simultaneously. High currents, in particular, present challenges for batteries, as they can generate heat that may cause damage. BYD has indicated that they have focused on minimizing the internal resistance of their new battery, enabling the highest charging speed suitable for any production vehicle to manage elevated voltages. Additionally, BYD has developed a new generation of silicon carbide power chips. So why does BYD assert that the Blade battery will set new safety standards for electric vehicles? As previously mentioned and demonstrated through rigorous testing, BYD's Blade battery has successfully endured extreme conditions, including crushing, bending and piercing, without igniting, with surface temperatures only reaching between 30 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. Unlike traditional cylindrical battery cells, the Blade battery employs a stacking process that results in a more uniform current density, improved internal heat dissipation, and enhanced suitability for high-power discharge. Consequently, the Blade battery exhibits superior cycle characteristics, safety features, and energy density. In contrast, data indicates that the self-ignition temperature of NMC batteries is 200 degrees Celsius, at which point the three components of the battery material begin to melt and ignite, potentially leading to an explosion, have a cycle life of approximately 3,000 cycles in laboratory conditions, and they can last at least 2,000 cycles in real-world applications. In contrast, the new Blade battery, with its large-size stacking technology and advanced high-temperature ceramic technology, boasts a cycle life exceeding 5,000 cycles, with degradation remaining below 20% after more than 5,000 cycles. The BYD Blade battery boasts a cycle life that is 3 times greater than that of NMC batteries, while the Tesla 4680 battery demonstrates a distinct advantage in energy density, leading to improved efficiency and range. The BYD Blade battery excels in safety and cycle life, making it particularly suitable for applications where durability and resilience in challenging conditions are essential. Each battery type has its unique strengths, catering to different vehicle requirements and market demands. However, in terms of charging time, the 4680 battery does not match the performance of the Blade battery. Current data indicates that charging a Cybertruck equipped with the 4680 battery from 10% to 80% takes approximately 30 to 35 minutes, depending on the charging power. Although this duration is not excessively long, it pales in comparison to the remarkable capability of the Blade battery, which can be charged in just 5 minutes. Regarding safety, both battery types are believed to provide high levels of protection for users. While the Tesla 4680 battery has not been subjected to as many real-world evaluations as the Blade battery, its innovative tableless design and integrated temperature control technology suggest superior performance in demanding conditions. This is particularly highlighted by the numerous Cybertruck incidents over the past year, with no reported cases of the 4680 battery igniting or exploding. Additionally, considerations regarding cost and production are important. However, it is evident that these two battery types provide distinct advantages and applications. In simple terms, the 4680 battery may enable electric vehicles to achieve extended ranges, but it requires a longer charging time. Conversely, the Blade battery, while offering a shorter range, boasts remarkably fast charging capabilities. For years, Tesla has set the benchmark in the electric vehicle market, captivating consumers with its elegant designs and innovative technology. Nevertheless, the competitive landscape has evolved, and even a powerhouse like Tesla can be at risk if a rival introduces a product that outperforms it in all areas. Many believe that the Model Y represents Tesla's most significant achievement, as it is a well-balanced SUV that has consistently ranked as the best-selling vehicle globally. While it has enjoyed considerable success among consumers, this does not guarantee its future sales performance, even after updates. It is important to note that the battery technology utilized in the Model Y is still the traditional LFP battery pack, rather than the 4680. Although this technology has numerous benefits and was once groundbreaking, it now faces the threat of obsolescence as competitors continually enhance their battery technologies and incorporate them into their electric vehicles. The BYD Han L is a sedan comparable in size to the Tesla Model S, measuring approximately 5,500 mm in length, with a wheelbase of around 3,000 mm, providing ample interior space. The standard version of the vehicle now features BYD's innovative Blade battery, which includes an 83.2 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery. The Tang SUV serves as the SUV variant of the Han L, accommodating 7 passengers, 2 in the front, 3 in the middle, and 2 in the rear. While it shares the same length as the Han L, its SUV design allows for greater interior space. Currently, this model is recognized as the fastest charging electric vehicle available globally, and its pricing reflects its luxury status, as evidenced by its stunning interior. BYD has excelled in interior design, surpassing many of its earlier models, which was quite surprising given the quality. It is clear that BYD has invested significant effort into developing this new platform, and we anticipate the introduction of many more models utilizing it. More importantly, we expect to see a variety of models equipped with BYD's latest version of the Blade battery. There are 2 new iterations of the Blade, one designed for ultra-fast charging, like the current model, and another that boasts exceptionally high energy density for long-distance travel. The current model employs the ultra-fast charging variant. Imagine being able to stop at a charging station and fully recharge your vehicle in mere minutes, rather than hours, while enjoying a driving range that exceeds that of today's electric vehicles. This is not a work of science fiction, it represents the next advancement in electric vehicle technology. However, as with any new development, there are challenges to overcome in the early stages. Analysts point out that the most apparent initial hurdle associated with the new generation Blade battery is its cost. It is well known that the introduction of any new electric technology typically raises vehicle production expenses at the beginning. Many drivers, particularly those with home charging capabilities, seldom need to utilize public charging stations, except for occasional long-distance travel. They can conveniently charge their vehicles overnight when energy prices are lower. When considering real-world feedback regarding this battery technology, when an electric car can achieve 300 miles of range in just 5 minutes of charging, with such rapid charging capabilities, a full charge could be attained in 5 minutes. Although there may not yet be a 1000 kilowatts charger available in your vicinity, it is assured that they are on the horizon, are beginning to raise concerns about the ability of Tesla's current 4680 battery architecture to compete with the influx of new designs from BYD. The 4680 battery has been instrumental in Tesla's achievements. However, if it is primarily utilized for the Cybertruck, the Model Y may soon lose its significance, as BYD increases production of its innovative Blade battery, potentially altering the competitive landscape considerably. Tesla has enjoyed advantages due to its pioneering role, but in a market that demands continuous innovation, being the first is no longer sufficient, particularly as BYD has outpaced Tesla in the past year. Consider this: if a battery can recharge in just a few minutes and significantly enhance driving range, the entire appeal of owning a Tesla is transformed. It shifts the focus from mere performance to the necessity of keeping pace with new technological advancements. The critical question is not whether BYD's battery is superior, but whether Tesla can act swiftly and with foresight to preserve its competitive edge. Thanks for watching.